I'm telling repeatedly only one point. If you want to get biggest benefit from this series, at least 2 activities compulsory you require to implement. What is the first activity? First activity what you require to implement? Completely useless activity you are doing. You won't get money. You won't get happiness. Your energy is going to be wasted like anything. Your time is going to be wasted like anything. Such a type of at least one complete useless activity remove from your daily routine. If you can save just per day 5 minutes, 5 minutes, per month 2.5 hours you are going to save. Per year, almost around how many? Per year, how many? 2.5 hours, 30 hours you are going to save just per year. 30 hours you are going to save per year. Happily you can enhance your skill, or you can complete one real-time project, or you can complete it. So some more high-level activity. If you want to concentrate on higher level activities, compulsory, you require to get free time. How you are going to get the free time? Remove blindly useless activities without having any sentiment with them. Because you won't get the money, you won't get happiness, your energy and time are going to be wasted like anything. Remove such type of activity, at least one in your life, in your day. The second one, identify some low-level activities. Identify some low-level activities, sir, which can be done by some other person. Maybe your family members, maybe your assistant, or maybe your some way. If there is any chance to delegate, happily you can delegate. Happily you can delegate. Because with the delegation, what advantage we are going to get? Our time is going to be saved. Our energy is going to be saved. So that we can use these two on higher level goals, so that maximum results by default will be there. Our growth is going to be exponential. That's what you people should aware. That's why delegation is the mantra you require to use. Remove waste activities is the second. These two activities at least try to implement, so that for these 30 days what we are discussing, yes, you people are going to get the benefit, I'm sure.